Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle and you're watching Michelle Little Things. Tonight on Vlogmas number 4, I'll be making quiche for dinner along with some sauteed shrimp. If you're interested in seeing how I put this together, stay tuned. These are the seasonings that I will be incorporating into my quiche. So I have basil pesto, onion powder, roasted garlic powder, red pepper flakes, Old Bay seasoning, Bodea's all-purpose seasoned salt, Bodea's complete seasoning, salt and pepper. I have my spinach leaves here. I'll be incorporating some meat, chicken or turkey, well maybe both. I have some mushrooms here. My eggs are here. It's about 6 eggs in there. And I also have all of my peppers chopped up along with my onion and tomatoes. So there's green, orange, yellow, and red bell pepper, chopped onions, and tomatoes here in the back. So I'm getting ready to start layering my pan over here. So I want to start with the vegetable that takes the longest to cook, which is the onion. So I always put the onion on the bottom. Always. It takes the longest to cook. And it doesn't matter how much you put in, as long as it looks kind of even in the bottom of the pan. This is just the fun part for me. Well, the fun part is to eat it. But before I get to that stage, this is the fun part. And then next I want to start with the ugly vegetable, which is the mushroom. It tastes good, it is ugly. Put those towards the bottom as well. They need to come out with a deeper pan, don't you think? And they probably have them. I just haven't searched for them. So you see that, how it's layered in the bottom? So I will start with the spinach next. It doesn't take much, but after it's cooked and you bite into it, the flavor. Okay, all of them have spinach. Now I want to start putting in the other vegetables. I think this looks so pretty. There's so many colors going on. Love it. I think for this quiche, I'm just going to incorporate the chicken instead of adding the turkey. Once it cooks down. The only thing that expands is the egg. Put that to the side. Grab my egg. Do about 3 tablespoons of pesto. Add my pepper, my salt, my Bodea's complete seasoning, onion powder, roasted garlic, red pepper flakes, and a little bit of seasoning salt. Put in a little bit of Old Bay. When I tell you this has a lot of flavor, this is what it looks like. And I just want to take my time and pour it in each cup. Pick this up and put it inside of another pan, just in case it expands too much and boils over. So I'll bake it in the oven at 350 for about maybe 20 minutes. This is the finished product of what the quiche look like after they are baked. And so all I want to do now is just add a little bit of cheese on top while it's still hot. And just let the heat from the quiche melt the cheese. I have my shrimp, my quiche, and some sliced avocado on the side. And this will be dinner for me tonight. Let me know what you think about this down in the comment section. And with that being said, subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment, share my video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now. On the corner. See that? The damage is right there on the corner. I feel like I can fix it. I mean, I'm confident that I can fix it. So what I'm going to do is pry this off and go get a piece of wood cut.